Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by listing your files and sampling rows to see actual contents. Do this now. Once you know formats and sizes, validate the schema so you understand required columns and types. Make sure to record null rates and obvious outliers as you inspect. You should also confirm encoding and delimiters to prevent later parsing errors. These steps save time because they reveal quick fixes and blockers. Once done, you're ready to move into cleaning operations without guesswork. You now apply targeted transformations, cast types, parse dates, and normalize units so comparisons work reliably. Once conversions are applied, handle missing values by choosing to drop, impute with mean or median, or add indicator flags depending on impact. Make sure to deduplicate and standardize categorical labels so grouping is accurate. Apply outlier detection based on sensible thresholds and document any removals. These actions make the dataset analysis ready and reproducible for downstream tasks. You finish by validating that counts, checksums, and schema match expectations. Run automated tests to confirm no columns were lost. Once validated, export to a stable format like Parquet or CSV with attached metadata and version the output. If you hit unexpected issues, log error samples, save a failing subset, and revert to the previous stable snapshot so work isn't lost. One key troubleshooting tip: if results diverge, rerun only the failing transformation on a saved sample to isolate the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.